this 1968 Ford Mustang Eleanor Tribute. Here's Steve Davis.
With the Eleanor licensing group, this is the real deal, folks. Not a replica, but the real Eleanor. Do not miss your opportunity to buy one of the most popular, most incredible movie cars of all time. Here it is. Everything's been dialed in. Ford 9-inch, 5-link suspension. You name it, gone in 60 seconds. Go, Shane.
Well, and it will be gone in about 2 minutes here at Barrett-Jackson. This one, a fresh build, 750 horsepower coming out of the engine that's underneath that hood. Made it up to a 6-speed manual transmission. You think about the car that was built for the movie, and the cars that we see crossing the auction block now as the Eleanor Tributes just take what was an idea and really spin it out. The quality of the builds, the quality of the equipment that goes into the build is truly at the next level. And I love the fact that on the front of this car, under the windshield, they've got a sign that says, "Look at my chassis."
Right, the one Nicolas Cage drove definitely wasn't built to this level. They did destroy several cars, doing that iconic chase scene with the jump. But yeah, this one's 750 horsepower, that custom chassis underneath. But all the movie touches. You can see the Gone in 60 Seconds badge is lit here. And then you go up here into the back window. This one does have the nitrous bottle mounted, just like in sort of the climax chase scene. They were able to go inside into the shifter, hit that go baby go button, and have all the power to get away from the police.
I think they hit the button on the bidders. We're over $300,000. It is the top retail sale of this auction so far. Still going.
Well, and this is part of the reason, and they talked about that up on the block. This is the certificate of authenticity, showing this is a licensed Eleanor recreation. From the Halicki family, this is one that they have actually given their blessing to. So it's got all the bells, all the whistles, all the beauty, all the horsepower, everything in one package.
And it is bringing all the money. Whoa! $400,000 bid.
Just incredible. Yeah, the base of the design is a 67 Shelby GT500, but this has obviously been modernized, done up, and whoa, there we go.
And with 3 hits of the hammer, auctioneer Shane Ratliff sells that one for $410,000. And there's the Summit Racing sold sticker. Top sale of the auction so far.